fellow members of the Jet Squad. Today, we're going to be trying Lifesavers. I've never had one of these before, but my cousin, we went to the store, my cousin wanted these very badly, so we ate them. And then after I open up the bag, so I'm going to try them. Lifesavers got me 5 flavors. 5 flavors, so, watermelon. Cherry, orange, candy flavor, strawberry, strawberry candy, I don't know, I don't know what it tastes, and then green apples that I'm gonna guess lighter green. I'm gonna guess lighter. I seen that there's 2 greens in here, but I'm gonna pick out every single flavor. So this is, oh, it smells like cough medicine. Holy. This is Red Lifesaver. I'm going to put them all on my leg. So. Orange. I've never had one of these before. Both lighter green. So I'm going to put lighter green right there. Oh, that's a darker green. This is the lighter green. Alright. Let's move these up here. Let's just put them all right here. And then there is strawberry. Can you see one? I don't know. Is it strawberry? Yeah, this is strawberry. And then, yeah, I have every single flavor. So first off, I'm going to start this. It smells like cough medicine. Alright. First ever Lifesaver. That is cough. That's cough medicine. It's not that bad, but it's cough medicine. Holy crap. Let's move you guys up here. I'll put you guys down here. Alright. So. That's like perfect. Alright. Alright, so now I'm going to try orange. 3, 2, 1. I'm not really a fan of orange things. Even though I love oranges in real life. They're so stretchy. Better than the cough medicine though. Okay. Now this one. Hopefully this is the best. That is so good. That tastes like watermelon. That is so good. Okay, let's try some more. Green one, darker green one. I don't like green apple. And this is strawberry. Watermelon was the best. Like, subscribe.